What's going on, my lovelies? I am finally back again. I haven't been able to upload videos recently as I've been sick and I got busy starting with school again, but here I am now. And for this video, I'm going to show you how I made this very easy one-tier Boss Baby cake. After filling and crumb coating the 6-inch vanilla cake, I iced it with my Swiss meringue buttercream. Go check out the recipe on my channel. I colored the icing light gold using a Chef Master Gold Gel color, which may seem like a light yellow, but later on it should turn into a more goldish color. And in order to obtain the gold color, I used a gold spray color from Chef Master as well. While spraying the cake, just make sure that you're doing it as evenly as possible by continuously turning the cake, and that you have something to prevent the color from going all over the place, like this box they had placed behind the cake. So now the mother wanted some dedication on the cake with the Boss Baby font, which I downloaded and have on my computer. I could have done it with fondant, but I decided to just print it so that it would be easier and it would take less time. After cutting the printed dedication, I glued it to a thin layer of fondant with just water. Make sure not to use too much moisture when doing this to avoid ripping and maybe even dissolving the edible paper. And then I gently placed it on the side of the cake, which would become the front side, and just make sure that it's all even and attached properly. One of the decorations on the cake was a milk bottle, and I used fondant with Tylose powder to make it. Now this is a big chunk of fondant and I was sure that they would not eat it anyway. You could use modeling chocolate for this if you want, but I rarely work with modeling chocolate and fondant is what I had at that time. Now I don't do drip cakes a lot. I've only probably done it once or twice, so I know I didn't do a very good job on this one, I must admit. I still got some learning to do for sure. I just used melted white chocolate and added a little bit of coconut oil once melted to make it thinner and easier to drip. And then I started putting the decorations on the cake, starting with the milk bottle I made earlier. I also used the melted chocolate to make it look like there's milk coming out of the bottle. I also made some fondant chocolate chip cookies, although I actually wanted to use cookies like real ones, either bake them myself or buy from the store, but the mother didn't want real cookies, so I just used the fondant ones, like light brown colored with darker colored fondant as the chocolate chips. And I also had some paper money printed that are edible and put them on the cake. The Boss Baby photo is not edible as requested by the mother. I just printed it on a regular printer, glued it to a popsicle stick, and stuck it on the cake. And that is done. There you have it, a very simple and easy to do Boss Baby themed cake. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I have a few more cake videos that are ready for editing, and I'll try to upload them as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to like this video and comment what you think about this cake, and if you have any pointers on how I can improve using drips, I would really appreciate it very much. Thank you again and have a great day.